Hello, dear friends. I have prepared an interesting test on traffic rules for you. How should the driver of a black car, for which the green traffic signal has turned on, answer choices? 1. Give way only to pedestrians who are completing their movement across the roadway. 2. Give way only to a white car that is completing its movement through the intersection. 3. Give way to a white car and pedestrians who are completing through the intersection. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. Correct answer number 3. Give way to a white car and pedestrians completing the intersection. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like and share the video with your friends. See you soon.